opportunity. So, as you can see, our company's name is Envy Shopee Sales and Market Private Limited, and you can see there's a very lovely slogan written out there. Shop with us and change your life. Friends, you only get enjoyment while purchasing. Is there any among you who has changed his life through shopping? Now, how could be done? I will tell you in this session further. So, I know many people must have asked you to change your shop, but I want to ask change your shop, or they just want you to change your. Yeah, I'm not asking to change your brand. You have three types in our company, and this is Mrs. Meenakshi Yadav and our company, and she has been made and Mrs. Delhi of in 2019, and she is a dietitian, and she has also very good experience of net marketing. And on the right side, you can see this is Ms. Sangeeta Gupta, MD of our company, and she's a very good choreographer. Besides, she has very good experience in network marketing. Now, this is Mr. Sandeep, MD of our company, and he's working in real estate and has also working as direct selling in this industry from 10 years. And now, here's a question: who is the company's promoter? So, Mr. Ahmed Sir is the company's promoter, and friends, he's not only earned but received crores of rupees for direct selling. And so many people study to make money in direct selling, and then he thought to bring Envy Shopee first to remove all the problems faced by a leader or a fashion ML company. So friends, our company has 8 segments, and as you can see, the first is Envy Shopee, which is working in retailing and e-commerce. The second is Royal Diamond, which is the company's own manufacturing unit at Chavi Bazaar. Third is Envy Digital EDU. Here you can get all the digital courses related to a child. And fourth is Road to Bollywood. Our company also organizes events, and if you're planning for a celebration at your home and you want a celebrity to create a spark in the party, then company can contact them on your behalf. But friends, you will have to pay them out. Now the fifth is Curate. We are also making websites, and you can search for market by making websites on a very low price in competitive market. Now the sixth is Mail Property. Everyone wants his house, right? And if anyone wants to sell, buy, or wants to give his house on rent, and every kind of company is dealing with. And it's very easy for us to buy a house in local, but when we want to go outside, it becomes rather difficult. And that's why here you're going to work from all India, and it means anyone can buy his house from anywhere. Now the seventh is company's own brand, Amma. It makes papads and pickles, and you can get it from Envy Shopee and also from traditional market. The last one is New Vedika. It's company's own manufacturing unit of all hardware. There is also import documents which are according with the government guidelines. And as you can see, this is the company stand number, MC number, PAN number, GST number, MSC number, FSI number, ISO number, and company also provides you certificate for the digital marketing and niche course. If I talk about company's vision and mission, company was established in 95 with the name of Janki Das and Company, and it took about 25 years in the industry. And later, it got registered under the name of R Diamond. And now, company is planning to touch every corner across Pan India, over 2,000 stores. And our target is to reach more than 10 crore users within a span of 4 years. And company also wants to provide employment to every household. Now, there's a range of products, which is grocery, fruits and vegetables, organic, electronic, household, personal care, clothing and apparel, health products, and many more. Our services are all prepaid and post-mobile recharge bill payments, and you can pay all kinds of bills like water bill, electricity bill, and you're also getting cashback on some services like mobile recharge, TV recharge, and doesn't provide any cashback on bill payments. Now, the brands you're watching already comes in home. So, I just want to ask you, have you ever got any income by purchasing these brands? And if I say, if you keep purchasing these brands from the same shop for 10 years, can the shopkeeper let you purchase for free? You can tell me in the chat box, yes or no. You say, we always spend money on these things. How can we make for shopping free? And if I say, if you just give your 2 years in any shopping, then you will get money in your house as well as your household shopping will be free for a lifetime. How is it possible? You want to know? Then type in the chat box, yes. Companies coming online, companies coming in market through online, offline model, and as we know, Corona has changed everything for everyone. But still, there are some people who are stuck at offline mode. So that's why companies coming online like Amazon, Flipkart, offline like Big Bazaar, Vishal Mart. And as we know, both are selling same products. Then, what magic they do so that people leave their nearby shops and purchase from them? Can anyone tell me? It's discounts. Huge discounts offered by these big online companies. The people are getting all the services in the one roof. These two could be the possible reasons, right? And instead, today's customer is a clever one. Wherever he sees discount, he just jumps there. If he gets discount on Amazon, he will go for Amazon. Similarly, if he sees discount on Flipkart, he will go for Flipkart. And if he finds discount Big Bazaar, he will go there. Likewise, if he gets discount with Sharma, he will go there. And what I'm trying to say here, they don't have permanent users. And if I talk about the user, without permanent users, in 2020, Amazon had a business of rupees 10,000 crore plus. And not only this, Big Bazaar had a business of rupees 20,331 crores. And you can yourself check it in Google. If without permanent users, they had tremendous turnover, then what would have happened if they had permanent users? And that's why here, we are coming offline and online, but through permanent users. And it means we have brought M&M online and offline through the platform and Shopee. Companies also brought vendor app, and people who are finding difficult to increase their business can also increase their business through vendor app. And like companies tying up with vendors across the country, like as you can see, restaurants, saloons, electronic shops, etc. And it also makes it easier for you to get all these services under one roof. And friends, can you imagine you're getting money in your bank account while having dinner with your family in a restaurant, or while shopping your favorite clothes, or while getting a haircut from a salon? So companies also opened franchises across the country, which is LGT7 Noida Sector 63, Rajkot Gujarat, Greater Noida Uttar Pradesh, Rewari Haryana, Lucknow Uttar Pradesh, Indore Madhya Pradesh, Raipur Chhattisgarh, Koda Uttarakhand, Indira Gandhi Ghaziabad, Brai North Delhi, Baddi Himachal, Pittam Uttarakhand, Kalkat South Delhi, Pallapuram Meerut, Dehradun Uttarakhand, Botad Gujarat, Varanasi Uttar Pradesh, Kodna Gujarat, चित्रकूट नगर पटना बिहार, प्रतापगढ़ चित्तौड़गढ़ राजस्थान, गंजम उड़ीसा, दरभंगा बिहार, माधेपुर बिहार. And these are upcoming franchisees. Company doesn't only works in MLM, it's also working in traditional market. And company also works in hyper trade marketing. Companies also welcome those manufacturers who are finding difficult to make their product a brand, because as we see, many products become brands and some lag behind, even if the product is good. Can you tell me why? Because we don't find any platform. And if I talk about what Amazon did or what Flipkart did, they both created a platform for sellers. And likewise, AnyShop has also created a platform where different people can make the product and brand. Because AnyShop says, if there's quality in your product, we'll make your product a brand. And not only this, companies also target small business itself, like retailers, shop owners, restaurant owners. Now, how can you avail these benefits? We talk about Amazon Prime membership, it charges rupees 999 per yearly. And did you get anything with it? No. It doesn't provide you any product on purchase of the membership. But still, people are buying this membership. If I talk about Here's Prime membership, we don't have to do anything. You're still buying for daily needs. Now, do shopping from any shop of 400 daily. You can shop online and offline by any means of your choice, like grocery, electronic items, clothes, and everything, whatever you want. And when you shop for 400 daily, you're getting our membership. Besides, you're getting 150% discount on your purchase. And not only this, you are getting discount coupon of rupees 1,500, which you can use 5% on online and offline. And it also gives you cashback of rupees 1,500 on your mobile recharge and dish TV recharge. And if I total all the benefits, already you are getting a 3,000 rupees benefits here, right? So, here's a question. What will happen after 1 year membership? Company says, we don't have to do much. Just purchase anything of worth rupees 100 and your membership will be renewed. And company will continue to give cashback until you get rupees 1,500 in your account. Now, here's another question. Will the company continue to give you cashback after you get rupees 1,500? Yes, of course. The company will continue to provide you cashback. And if someone asks me how much is to buy membership of 400 rupees, so it costs around 6,000 rupees. And someone says, I want to be any Shopee member, but I can't buy a product of worth rupees 6,000. Then we have a next option. Now this is a kit 2 worth rupees 599, and here you are getting a membership worth rupees 599. But friends, I want to tell you something. Company is not getting you rupees 599 because it's giving you a product. You can choose any product among English speaking course, business marketing course, and scented napkins. And if you opt for scented napkins, you will get 3 boxes of it. And if I talk about the courses, course duration is 3 months. And here, company doesn't charge anything for your courier. And besides it, you are getting all the Prime membership benefits, which I told you earlier. Here's kit 3, COVID-19, and this kit helps me with especially keeping my tourist perspective. And you are getting 500 ml hand sanitizer bottle and 24 mask. And again, friends, we are not asking for any courier charges, nothing. And along this, you are getting all the benefits of Prime membership. Now, this is a kit for plan folder kit. As you can see, there's a very lovely plan folder kit, and in this kit also, you are getting all the Prime membership benefits. Now, this is a kit 5 t-shirt kit. As you can see, this is a very lovely t-shirt of any Shopee, and you are getting Prime membership benefits in this. Now, this is a kit 6. In this kit, you can choose any product among Dr. Body Care powder, leather belt, and scented napkins. And if I talk about Dr. Body Care powder, it works on our body, providing you with immunity. And all Prime membership benefits are also given in this kit. Now, this is a kit 7 promotion kit, and in this kit, you are getting 2 lovely t-shirts of any Shopee and company's literature and a very lovely pen. And besides it, you are getting all the benefits of Prime membership in this kit too. As you can see, I have some product for market, and this is Fashion PM Kachi Gani Pure Mustard Oil. Its MRP is ₹954, DP is ₹900, and after discount, you are getting the product in ₹744, and it has 70 pieces. Likewise, you can see this Tata Premium Tea 1 kg, its MRP is ₹397, DP is ₹375, and you get the product in ₹357, and it has 25 pieces. Now, the next is Toto Salt. Its MRP is ₹20, DP is also 20, and you are getting the product in ₹19, and it has 1 piece. Here, a note is given. Rates are variable. So, rates are decided by the market. Company is not liable for the price changes. After getting the membership, you are getting 11 types of income from the company, which is self-purchasing profit, referral bonus, matching bonus, team repurchase bonus, user promotion bonus, car fund, house fund, royalty bonus, pension fund performance, franchisee bonus, and vendor. The last one is bonus. Now, I will explain to you one by one. The first is self-repurchase income. So, why do we go to Big Bazaar? Because somewhere we get discount. And when we get discount on purchase, we get discount on Diwali, Holi, 15 August, right? Do we get any other discount besides these specific days? If we are getting discount on all brands in any Shopee, not just specific days, but every day, then there is no need to go to Big Bazaar. And we are getting 1 to 50% discount on shopping, and that's why here it's called self-repurchase. The second income is referral income. It means direct income. If you like something willingly or unwillingly, we do tell someone about it. But do we get something returned? You can tell me in the chat box, yes or no. If you do the same thing here, then you're getting 50% fee because, as I told you, if somebody comes here with any package, and all the packages are the same business volume, and if I talk about 400 TVs, 50% means ₹200, you're getting ₹200 per referral. So you can get unlimited income by referring others. For example, if you tell 2 persons, then you will get ₹400. Similarly, if you told 5 persons, then you will get ₹1,000, and if you told 10 persons, then you will get ₹2,000. On the next day, the amount is transferred in the bank account. So friends, you don't get any direct income in the first class level. And if I leave A and B, you will get income C, D, E, and many more. So, why don't you get income first class level? Company says everyone has different speed of working. Somebody's fast and somebody's slow. So friends, but we have to move forward with everyone. And secondly, I want you to ask, are you here for ₹200 or 400? Company is a big surprise for you. What is it? I will tell you further. The third income is matching income. Every person has limited capacity to that reference because this is going to exhaust something. And after that, what will happen? So here, company says, we've told about to the people. Likewise, they will also tell us about it. And so, here, left and right, when your business will match, you will get binary income, and it means you're getting ₹40 per pair. The first pair ratio would be 1:2 or 2:1, and after that, it would be 1:1. And so companies put capping around this income, and you're getting this income up to an unlimited depth. And if I talk about rupees 1500, and if I talk about rupees 1500 per day, friends, it's not a small income. It's rupees 45,000 per month. So the next is team repurchase income, and you're getting your team repurchase income up to 20 levels. And friends, this is single lag repurchase income. You are getting 0.3% income on your team repurchase up to 16 levels. And you can get 1% income on team repurchase from 7 to 20 level. And if I count the last 4 levels, team size is 19 crore 66 lakh 80. And if you assume these are all personal shopping for their household needs for just rupees 2,000, then what would the outcome? It's 390 crore 21 lakh 6,000. And as I told you, you are getting 1% for team repurchase. So friends, the 1% of this amount would be 3 crore 93 lakh 21,600. So the next income is user promotion bonus. So this income works like a magic wand because it awakens up a sleepy person. Now, to the question, how we get this income? If I talk about the first ladder referral, you don't get any income on them. And I've explained to you already why so. And after this, you already come to this club. So you don't get income by working yourself, but you get income from working of your uplines and even crossline. Does anyone get money from working of our upline? What this company is giving you? Firstly, company deducted rupees 400. Where does it put your money? I will tell you further. And as you can see, this team has one side and this income on the side, and it will add 40, 40, 40, 40, 50, 70, 120. You will get 400. It means companies divide our money into 7 levels, and companies rank this club, and under every club, there are 7 levels. So companies distribute money among 7 levels, and when 2 people comes under your ID, you get 40, 40, which means 80. Then 2 more people come under those people referred by you. And likewise, everyone gets 2 people to join. And when I talk about the total of these 7 levels, it's rupees 20,640. And friends, can you tell me what you did to get rupees 20,640? You have just purchased a package and referred only 2 people, right? So friends, what do you think? The person will get rupees 20,640 won't work. Now again, coming to rupees 2,000 from this amount for the next one. So friends, this is a user promotion bonus too. Some distribute money in the school up to 7 levels, and it will total 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 400, 600. You will get 2,000 rupees. Which means company is distributing our money to ourselves. And if I total your income of all levels, you are getting rupees 1 lakh 14,800. Now again, company does 20% of your income, which means rupees 10,000, and gives you entry next club. User promotion bonus 3. Here, company has again distributed the amount up to 7 levels, and if we add the total of 7 level income, it's rupees 7 lakh 40,000. And company again gives 10% of income, which is rupees 50,000 to get to enter next pool. User promotion bonus 4. Now again, you get entry next pool, and when we sub the income from all levels, you are getting rupees 42 lakh 82,000. If after giving you such an amount, company has to pay back, then will you give it back? Of course not. So friends, here, company just gives 10% of income, which is rupees 2 lakh, and gives you entry next pool. User promotion bonus 5. Now again, companies distribute those 2 lakh rupees among 7 levels, and by some all the 7 level income, you are getting rupees 1 crore 60 lakh 6,000. And now, companies 10% of income, rupees 5 lakh to get to enter next club. Now this is user promotion bonus 6. Now, companies distribute these 5 rupees up to 7 levels, and when I total these 7 level income, you are getting rupees 4 crore 1 lakh 2,000. Friends, this is such a big amount to trust upon. I know it's undigestible because still you are working very hard, but you never got such an amount. And you say if you put crores of rupees, you will get lakhs of rupees, and if you put lakhs of rupees, you will get thousands of rupees. But have you ever thought by purchasing a single package, you can get crores of income? But our company has proved it. And daily income lists are published by the company. And every day, people are getting income. Secondly, one thought must be running in your mind. Many plans came in market. How can you say you are still successful? Friends, those all plans are based on crowdfunding, and they were without any product. And those companies never publish their list. And this is the only one company which is giving such an amount. And friends, when a company comes in market, it does get IDs. But after some time, it doesn't get any IDs from the market. When the company doesn't get IDs, they don't get their pools completed. As a result, company vanishes from the market. If there's so many ups and downs, then how can we say that there won't be any ups and downs here too? So friends, here I want to say our company starts where the company stays. And that's why I would like you to take in your first love. So friends, as you can see on right side, pre-1 400, pre-1 400, you must be thinking what is it? So when your ID enters level 6, company is 400, 400 and put to 2 IDs. That means company even didn't ask you to work, but fulfilled to 2% for you. And these IDs are put somewhere under your ID, wherever it gets to. And moving to the second glove, you can see pre-1 400, pre-2 400, pre-1 2000, pre-1 400, pre-1 2000. And company again this amount and put these IDs under your ID. And here, I'm trying to say, you would complete your auto pull hours set. Why would need IDs from outside? And if it was as bonus, we got any ID from outside. And you know what? What is the good news? Good news is that you got at least one person here to work. He's not going to leave you because the system is created like that. And friends, I want to ask you, did you do anything for these IDs? But you will get income on these IDs too. And will you let go the coming well? Of course not. So here, I didn't ask you to sell anything, and this income is to meet your daily needs. And if I talk about any product-based companies, when a person tries to run these types of companies, find it rather difficult to cope up with these areas. And it's very easy for someone to somehow manage these things for 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. But what happens next? He just gets exhausted. So that's why we are giving this income to manage your daily expenses. These are luxury funds. Now, as you can see, company can start from worth rupees 25 lakh on 10,000 matching left to right, and there's no time limit on this fund. And the right side, you can see the house fund of this 1 crore. You can get this house fund of 2,000 matching left to right, and there's no time limit on this fund also. Now, the next fund is pension fund performance. And if you can make pay of 5 lakh files within 9 years, company gives you pension for lifetime, which is 5% of company's profit. So this is royalty lifetime achievement income. Company also gives you royalty income to complete 1 crore business in 1 year. You already will come under start and you will get 5% of company's product profit. And likewise, if you come 5 crore business in 2 years, you are again getting 5% of company's profit. And when you come 10 crore business 4 years, you already comes in gold diamond and once again you get 5% of company's profit. So for friends, company also recognize you for your work and you are getting silver star rank on 505 matching left and right. Gold star rank on 2,000 matching. All star on 5,000 matching. Diamond star on 20,000 matching. Double diamond on 50,000 matching. Crown on 1 lakh 1,00,000 matching. Crown ambassador on 5 lakh matching. There's a franchisee bonus. If you come in somewhere to open a franchisee, you get 3% referral bonus, and besides it, you are getting 0.3% of sale every month. And here, monthly bonanza, you're getting Bajaj Finance Bank on 7,000 shares matching left to right, and company is also giving you Marti Alt on 50,000 matching left to right, and this is also an available EMI. Now, there's another car, MG Hector, and you're getting this car on 6,000 shares matching left to right. Here you can see my great apply Ms. Rekha ma'am, and she has achieved car on worth rupees 25 lakhs within a very limited time. Now, this is again my great apply Ms. Rekha ma'am, and she is a carbon ninja achiever of our company. Now, there's a list of people who are silver star rank achievers of a company, and you can see them here. These are again our silver star rank achievers. These are gold star rank achievers. And the last one, these are pearl star rank achievers. And this is again my great apply Ms. Rekha ma'am, and I'm very delighted to tell you that she is our AnyShopkeep's first diamond achiever. Now, this is company's account number, and you can get your ID registered under it. And these are the terms and conditions. So, company does 10% as admin charges for much income, and all user promotion bonus income depend on company. So, friends, Bill Gates is a very well-known personality. He once said, "If I will start all over again, I would choose net marketing." If such a personality is saying these words, there must be some reason behind it. Do we really need to think now? If we are hungry today, we will eat food. Of course, today we will eat food, right? And if we've seen dreams today, when will we fulfill them? Of course, today. So friends, get yourself registered for the beautiful life. And if you have any doubts, you can call me on this number.